Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Wednesday, May 19th, 2021, and what we're going to see today is just how do we ask questions and what questions do we ask? Questions. I probably know that you have a lot of questions, but mm, for this we have four types. We're going to see four types of questions. Questions to ask for personal information, for information of something, for a favor, or for somebody's opinion. To ask for personal information. This means that you want to know something about the person that you are asking the question. We have here some examples. You, do you prefer reading or watching movies? What's your favorite movie? You you like your house? What's your favorite animal? Where you work or study? What food you don't like? What your favorite drink and why? What's your favorite profession and why? How often you see your friends? How often you eat or what often you eat your favorite food? Where do you live? What's your favorite food? How often do you eat your favorite food? Have you a pet? Do you have a pet? Do you watch TV series? What what's your favorite? How often do you cook? Do you like cooking? How often do you exercise? What do you do for exercise? Do you like sports? How old are you? What's your name? Where do you live? And all that kind of questions. And to ask a favor is when do you want somebody to do something, and do you use could you please plus the thing that you want them to do. For example, could you please open the door? Could you please activate your camera? Could you please take out the trash? Could you please pick up the trash? Could you please play Roblox with me? And some things like that. To ask for opinion to somebody's opinion, we use questions like this. What do you think about that? Are you aware of? And you say the thing. Do you agree with me? ¿Estás de acuerdo conmigo? Do you know or do you know what I mean, or do you see what I mean? Don't you think that? And the thing that we're talking about, or your opinion, so he can react to that. And what do you suggest? What do you think? And so on. And lastly, to ask for information that you want him to tell you something about it, or you having questions about something, you use can you tell me how to get there? Can you tell me what's the homework? Or you can say, could you tell me um, where is the bank? I like to know where I can eat sushi. Do you know uh, where I can buy Robux? Do you have any idea why the teacher isn't come? Could you tell me where is the school? Do you happen to know what are we going to do? Could you find out when we go out for summer vacations? Could you give me some idea of what the teacher is saying? I'm interested in that cell phone. Those are the kind of things that we use to ask for information. Tomorrow we're going to see a little more about this. We're going to ask some questions. We're going to interview somebody of your family, or maybe somebody from that it's around you. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.